How you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Doing well. Can you tell us what you got in here?
I got 318s on a 16K.
Okay. What's your battery power?
Shannon, what's my battery power?
It is a lithium 76 amp hour.
Okay. What's
Yeah.
what you got under the hood?
Yeah, no, that runs the whole car.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty, here we go.
Alrighty. I've been hearing this thing. It sounds good outside.
Shannon, what?
Pause, honey.
No, I hit the wrong button.
It's okay. It's okay. Hold on. I
Well,
just
mine-
put this new deck in here.
Yeah, my pause was over on mine.
Don't touch my tree. Don't touch my tree. Don't touch my tree.
Let your voltage get back up.
Yep.
Took my glasses and my hat off. Hey, I appreciate that demo. Thank
I
you.
appreciate you.